As a buyer, how much do you need to put down as a down payment? You made the decision to start searching for your perfect home to make your home ownership dreams a reality. So as a buyer, how much do you need for a down payment? Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes, and I'm here with some tips and myths on down payments and a few things that you should know. As you begin your home search, one thing that may be top of mind is how much of a down payment do I need to save? Most buyers tend to think 20% down payment is needed to purchase a home. However, that's not necessarily true. According to Freddie Mac, nearly a third of prospective home buyers think they need a down payment of 20% or more to buy a home. This myth remains one of the largest perceived barriers to achieving home ownership. Unless specified by your lender, 20% down is typically not required. Many loan programs available today, like FHA loans, which require only 3.5%, USDA and VA loans, which require no down payment, are available for qualified applicants. In addition to loan programs, most buyers are unaware of all of the different options available for down payment assistance. Most buyers think they need to be a first-time home buyer to qualify for assistance. That's not always true. According to an article from downpaymentresource.com, it is a common misconception that homebuyer assistance is only available for first-time home buyers. However, 38% of homebuyer assistance programs in Q1 of 2022 did not have a first-time home buyer requirement. This is great news for a buyer. Of course, it is always best to consult the experts so they can show you all of your options, debunk the myths, and help you get closer to achieving your home ownership goal. Please reach out to me to connect so my team and I can help you get closer to that goal. Let us help you discover your coastal lifestyle.